idea. I think we're switching over now to the gallery made by Phoebe. I'll let somebody else introduce that.
Yeah, sure. I've got the controller here, so I believe you guys can see it on the stream now as our very own in-house expo gallery made by none other than Phoebe Herring, our art lecturer. It's done a really excellent job showcasing stuff. So I'm happy to just kind of walk through, but if you guys point out anything you want to have a look at.
We'll all just shout and point while you're wandering too.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, this one's cool.
But yeah, so we're just kind of going to walk through in a kind of casual flyby. We'll try and credit everyone as much as we can. But we've got Caterina Florentino's very nice kind of elephant, almost like a sort of witch doctor design here, which is cool. But yeah, stop me if you guys want to comment on anything in particular.
Sure.
But we've got lots of 2D art in the gallery too.
So that's some concept art, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's really good.
Yeah, I've been really impressed with the quality of this stuff. I'm not an art lecturer at all, but just from a layman's perspective, everything here has been really impressive. Looks very kind of professional quality.
Just before you pass that, is he trolling, or is there a joke here towards Evergreen, or is that just me? The tanker ship that got stuck. So
in the chat, please, if anyone's got any details.
I don't know.
You're probably right.
Yeah, it does ring a bell or two. We've got some other 3D models in the space here. I'll do my best to kind of give a bit of a demo. But Zach Coates with this cool guy in the wheelchair, weaponized wheelchair. Lots of goodies in the back here. But yeah, lots of really impressive characters on display too.
Yeah.
And some of you might have noticed that we've got little collectible coins in the space that you can kind of go over, collect. I don't know if you get anything for collecting all of them, but it is its own reward. Sorry, I'm probably going to mess up the pronunciation here. Natala Samkaradze. Really nice character here. Looking very dangerous, those blades.
I believe it's meant to be an homage to Yasuo's brother from League of Legends.
Yes.
I can't remember Yasuo's brother's name because I'm terrible at League of Legends. I haven't picked it up in ages. This is what happens when you go from making games and playing games to becoming a games lecturer. You don't get the chance to play around with these games, but she spent an awful lot of time building this.
Yeah, we need a lore check on League of Legends stuff, but
I'm sure we've got a few in chat.
Yeah, I'm sure a chat can probably help us out.
Does anyone recognize this character?
We'll see if anyone can provide us with some accurate names, but I'll move on to some other concept art we've got here. It's a really interesting design, sort of mixing fungus with foxes a little bit in here. Jesse Houston,
cool,
credited here. Really nice when you get kind of like the concept sketches alongside the more finished kind of art.
Yone. Yes, Yone.
Yone, yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, chat.
Thank you, chat.
We've also got the fact that the music you can hear right now is by, I believe, Flo Bramhill. We can turn it off if we wish to have a silent gallery viewing experience, but I'll leave it on so we can enjoy it.
I'm sorry, but that's from Blade Gunners, and I'll just plug them as well. So,
yes.
So Blade Gunners here. I'm just going to give shout out to Ben as well, who's joined the chat. So ex-student of mine. So hi Ben, nice to see you at the Games Academy. So enjoy the virtual gallery. It's awesome work that's being produced here from all the cohorts. So be sure to download it and check it out. And I'll also do another plug for everybody. You've got 7 days left for the rookies. And when I see a load of potential rookies entries here, so do make a maximize that opportunity for yourselves. So 7 days left. Okay.
I know as people say they haven't been hearing any music or sound from the gallery, so we'll see if we can get kind of a technical thing there. All good?
There we go.
You'll probably hear it now. Some really nice kind of sort of light drum and bass, very Unreal Tournament style. I'm really intrigued by this piece. I find it a really nice kind of surreal design. I'm not sure this wasn't used in any of the games, was it? Some of these pieces are just kind of standalone pieces.
This was a Grads in Games entry from Sasha. So it was great that we're actually getting finalists into the gallery and showing that work out from the Games Academy. So hopefully we'll see some more from the rookies as well. So you got Grads in Games as the first semester, and then the rookies in part of the second semester. So it's all really nicely balanced all throughout the academic year.
So I guess we'll move into this room. We've got quite a few different pieces. We've got some animated pieces, which are really
got
cool.
some things that are moving.
Yeah. Do you want to talk us through any of these, Rich? Yeah.
Do you need some help discerning what's going on there?
Well, I just thought you're always so proud of your animation students. I thought you might want to plug some stuff here.
Well, what I was going to say was just have a little wander around and kind of get a feel for it, and then we can maybe chat about some of these guys. So we've got Robin here.
And stuff.
Robin from the VR animator. It was a really, really nice game and really slick and nice to play. Yeah.
I mean, really creepy as well. That jittery guy right there. Just so that like VR games, like designing for them is kind of an interesting thing to do when you're pushing for higher fidelity all the time, and then you've got to kind of lower it and find the right way to express what you need to express. And yeah, they did great. So great that I don't want to play it. No offense, just like I'm not really very good with horror, and horror in VR with that creepy guy. I'm just like, I don't want to do it. I'll watch someone else do it. I can't do it. But it's kind of it's got a little bit of the kind of like Harryhausen kind of stop frame jitteriness about it, which is creepy as hell. So yeah, good job, Robin.
Yeah. Moving on to something a bit less horrifying, maybe.
Yeah, the exact opposite end of the scale, you might say. The cute teapot. So Joe Liggy. This was in the... What was the game called again?
Was it Dragon's Community Service, something like that?
That's the one.
A really charming game.
Yeah.
Thanks in part to this really charming character that you play as, a dragon that's been turned into a teapot as punishment.
And yeah, I'm really, really happy to see this in here because it's kind of an interesting challenge to turn a teapot into a lovable character, and he absolutely nailed it. And generally trying to keep it very light and very kind of cute. So I think Joe did a really, really good job here. So well done.
Yeah, well done.
So
then we got this beast with a load of coins on it as well.
Yeah, I'm not sure how you get up there. But
maybe from the top.
You must have to get up to the top floor and kind of jump down to it. We've only got a little bit of time left, maybe another 5 minutes.
Yeah,
so
we should go downstairs. And
downstairs to the rookies. So sorry if we're skimming past everyone's great work, but you can download this at the Falmouth Games Expo site.
Just go back up to that character.
Oh, up to here?
Yeah, sorry.
This
beautiful sculpt for this character.
Yeah.
So definitely get this into the rookies. Come on, let's see it in the rookies.
There's some really great details all the way throughout.
And great concept artwork there. So get that into the concept art and illustration category. Yeah. So there's also some really good fan art.
We've got our Samus in the back, of course.
Oh, of course.
But yeah, I can head on down to the downstairs section if you want with the...
Again, there's some really nice concept artwork there from, I can't see his name.
Oh, so that's
Jamie
Mealing.
Mealing. Along with
crazy detail,
that ZBrush sculpt, along with some really great concept art.
Yeah, Rich is a fan, I can tell, of the horrifying designs. But yeah, let's
and this lovely character.
Yeah, Tamsin
by
Page's
Tamsin
character.
Page. Great sculpt again. Really nice detail and really good pose actually.
Yeah, nice as you're sort of coming down the stairs here.
But you can download this all and you can check it out for yourself and install it on your PC and do your own browsing on there as well. Again, all of these you can go into Shane Hurdle's Grads in Games entry.
Yeah, we've got these nice kind of scenes that you can...
That's it, you're just stepping out. So
yeah.
And then you've got Oliver Britland's Mad Max. It's a massive vehicle in there we've just about managed to fit it into the virtual gallery. So,
to scale.
Yeah.
But yeah, makes for a really impressive gallery in terms of like the variety of the scale of the different objects.
Yeah, and some more concept artwork here again that should be in the rookies. So I am going to keep plugging it. So, and then what's really nice, because this was included last year, was the fine art that Jason and the students have been producing as well. And we need more of this work.
Yeah, definitely.
Because, developers looking out for it, and you might get asked about your life drawing and still life and your observation in your sketchbooks. So do keep these and still develop these, because you might get caught out and by an art director or studio manager saying, do you do sketchbooks or life drawing? So be sure to carry on with this, because this is great featured in the virtual gallery. Hopefully we'll have it included next year when we do the expo again. So some really nice pieces.
Yeah, really good to see the kind of traditional arts roots of Falmouth in the expo gallery as well. We've got another scene here. Let's have a look.
That's an MA student, so I didn't quite catch the name.
Oh, sorry. I'll back out and then go back in. Oops. Megan Evans.
Megan Evans,
Yeah, really nice. It was a nice inclusion, actually, because I would have only thought to include like 3D objects and sort of 2D objects, but it's nice to have these scenes as well, take advantage of the kind of virtual medium of the gallery.
Can you walk through the environment, or is it just...
Oh, yeah, it's just still. I don't think I have camera control in the scene. Bias,
okay.
But this effect is really
lovely.
nice.
Yeah.
And could we just go back upstairs?
Yeah, sure.
Because we've got some first year work in here as well. Just up the stairs up to the side. Because up at the top there, above you.
These ones, or?
Just above you.
Oh.
Yep. Go up there. We've got Olivia Gunn's first year work. Yeah.
Yeah, here we are.
Oh, wow.
We need more of it. So, it's good stuff.
Oh, I forgot I have a jump button.
You have jump button.
I'll just go down and have a look from below as well.
There you go. That's a drone.
Yeah, nice action shot as well.
Yay.
Cool. Well, we'll probably have to wrap it up.